At Technipaint, safety is our top priority. We pride ourselves on maintaining the highest standards of safety for our staff. We believe a safe workplace is a productive one, and we are committed to creating an environment where our employees feel protected, valued, and empowered to do their best work every day. Before entering the work area, ensure you're fully equipped with the proper protective gear. Always wear your lab coat to shield your clothing and skin from potential spills. A respirator is essential to protect against harmful fumes. While earplugs guard your hearing in noisy environments, goggles keep your eyes safe from splashes and airborne particles. Gloves provide critical protection for your hands when handling chemicals or equipment. Don't forget your safety iron tip shoes. They are designed to protect your feet from heavy impacts and sharp objects. Safety isn't just a requirement, it's a core part of our culture.